Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must start by confirming ownership, because bypassing security without authorization is illegal and risky. Have the proof of purchase and the Google account email ready. This speeds up legitimate recovery. Once done, charge the phone to at least half and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so updates and account checks complete reliably. Make sure you can access the recovery phone or email attached to the Google account. This is the proper route to regain access and prevents data loss. Next, use authorized recovery methods that preserve device security and warranty. Try Google account recovery while on a secure network. Follow prompts to verify identity using recovery email or phone. If that fails, contact Google support directly and present your proof of purchase and serial number. Support can advise official steps. Alternatively, visit an authorized service center. Technicians can verify ownership and provide solutions without exposing you to unsafe bypass tools. This protects your data and keeps your device compliant. Finally, follow the official instructions given by Google support or the authorized repair shop to regain access. If a factory reset is appropriate, make sure account verification is completed first so FRP does not reblock the device. Authorized technicians will handle this correctly. If you run into problems, recheck the documents you brought, try alternate recovery contacts, and ask support to escalate the case. This approach resolves most locked devices legally and minimizes the risk of data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.